We remodeled the entire kitchen and the fireplace in the family room.
Right.
And we added a shower in the bathroom.
We extended our hallway bathroom. It was a half bath, and we converted to a 3/4 bath. It has a quarter shower in there.
We just want to update, the look, and it has been, since we never really changed anything, right? Since we bought the house a long time ago.
Mm-hmm. But also, when our daughter and her husband comes into town, we wanted to have a place for her to stay, so that's why we had converted the TV room into a bedroom.
Yeah, at the barn door.
I went through Facebook and asked many of the people in Facebook for the Walnut group to make recommendations for particular contractors. So I received a gamut, and pretty soon you kind of see there's two types of contractors there. There's a contractor, that's what you're kind of familiar with, the one who's just kind of ghosts you and not really available all the time. And surprisingly, Gold Coast, when Joey came over, he was different from the others. He was professional, he was patient, and he was calm.
He's very personable. So.
Yes.
One thing is he's always available if we need anything. He always come and check, at least like almost every day, a little bit. But whenever we have any question or we have any concern or anything, we can always get hold of him.
Yeah, either text him or telephone him, and he almost immediately returns.
Definitely meet our expectations. And the crew, they are all very professional and friendly.
Very friendly, very personable.
Yep.
Easy to talk to.
Yeah, we are happy.
Yeah, not above asking, answering our questions, because I'm sure we had a lot of dumb questions. Well, we are very pleased with the progress and the end result.
Yep. Yeah, kind of learned to live with our kitchen.
Oh yeah.
So that was a little difficult, but we get used to it.
Yes.